5 at 50 Railway Parade here in Pascoe Vale. My name is Stephen Shaw and I'm indeed pleased to bring this beautiful home to your attention. This modern townhouse is exceptional. From large living spaces right through to polished floors, beautiful deck area, it really does capture everything. Beautifully located, close to public transport, great cafes and restaurants, all within walking distance. You're going to be impressed. So come with me, let's take a look through. Exceptionally presented throughout, I'm sure you'll agree, with great living spaces and big rooms. It's a ripper. This is one you're going to truly enjoy. Close to the parklands, as I touched on before, the public transport and cafes all within walking distance, and local schools. You're really going to enjoy living here. Great outdoor space as well. It's a home that's exceptional. To view it, please give myself or Ryan Castles a call, or we look forward to seeing you at the open for inspection. Bye for now.